Ever wondered how some YouTube channels skyrocket their subscriber count in no time? Today we're exploring the fascinating world of rapid YouTube growth and the crucial role subscribers play. Using real-world case studies, we'll uncover the strategies that propel channels to success. Let's dive into the first case study to unravel the secrets of their success. First on our list, vidIQ, a channel that doubled its subscribers in 5 minutes. Now, how did they manage that? The secret lies in their approach. vidIQ understood the importance of engaging content. They knew that to make viewers click that subscribe button, they had to offer something of value. They also recognized the significance of regular uploads. Consistency is key in the YouTube world. It keeps your channel fresh in the minds of viewers and also signals to YouTube's algorithms that your channel is active and worth promoting. But what truly set vidIQ apart was their effective use of SEO. They leveraged keywords, tags, and descriptions to ensure their videos were easily discoverable. vidIQ truly shows how understanding YouTube's inner workings can lead to rapid growth. Next, we have Primitive Jungle, a channel that caught a giant honeybee and 11 million views. Now let's delve into how they made this possible. Primitive Jungle has a unique approach that sets them apart. They focus on showcasing the raw beauty and harsh realities of living in the wild, providing a sort of escapism for their viewers. Their content is incredibly captivating, almost like a real-life survival game, but without the comfort of a restart button. Their success lies in their unique niche. They've created a space where primitive survival techniques meet modern curiosity, and it's in this intersection that they've found their goldmine. The channel's uniqueness comes from its ability to transport viewers to a world far removed from their daily lives, captivating their attention and keeping them coming back for more. And how does this translate into their success? Well, their giant honeybee video alone garnered over 11 million views. That's the power of unique, captivating content. Primitive Jungle serves as a great example of how unique content can capture a massive audience. Our final case study, Beluga, gained 4 million subscribers in just 3 months. How did they do it? Let's dive right in. Beluga's strategy was both simple and ingenious. They leveraged a new feature on YouTube called Shorts. This feature caters to the growing trend of short, snappy content that viewers can consume in one quick gulp. And it was a hit. Beluga's strategy wasn't just about using a new feature, it was about understanding the heartbeat of their audience. They recognized that viewers are increasingly seeking quick, engaging content that can be consumed on the go. By adapting to this new trend, Beluga was able to tap into a vast, new audience. Their approach offers a valuable lesson to all content creators out there. It's not just about creating great content, it's also about understanding and embracing new trends and features that platforms like YouTube introduce. Beluga's success story shows how staying ahead of the curve and adapting to new trends can yield massive results. So, what can we learn from these success stories? Clearly, understanding YouTube algorithms is crucial. It's about knowing when and what to post. Unique content too is key. It's what sets you apart and makes you memorable. And let's not forget about new features and trends. Leveraging these can give you an edge over the competition. Increasing your subscriber count might seem daunting, but with the right strategies, just like our case studies, success is within reach.